Yo, this is DJ Battery here, and today I'm going to review my son's new toy and show you how to get in the battery. Because some people, they think it's, a AAA battery. No. Some people say that this specific toy is a AAA battery toy. No. Now I really double checked on the video. Some people might look at this and say this doesn't take batteries, but then if it didn't take a battery, what would the sound be operating on? Because as you're hearing, it makes sounds. It's a VTech Alphabet Train.
It's a windy day.
Let me just volume control there, different modes, and then I turned it off. So now how to get into the battery. Slightly pull this little phone off. This also has a click button that the baby can play with. Lightly. Now you're seeing this. I think that they did this just... And this actually activates too, I think, when...
Hello? Hello? Anyone there?
So that will act as a sound sensor. Let me get my tool and I will show you guys what battery it takes. What kind of battery. I need to grab the right one. I have some tools here. Oops. Drop the camera. That's not good. Okay. Let me see if this flat will fit. Because some of these fuckers will let me. Actually, I think we're getting somewhere. Kind of making this easier, but you can put a Phillips or a flat screwdriver in here and twist. As you see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna lightly. Let me open this and I'll show you what battery it needs. I'll be back once this is opened. Fuck. Oh, shit. That's why you gotta be careful with these, because I might have a little scrape now. I think I'm out. Okay. screws out. Now I'm just gonna pop this out. And so how I popped it out is I stick the screwdriver in, I take this and I pop it out. Now as you can see, it operates by 3 batteries. AA. Right there. And yeah. I don't have to replace these, so I just thought before I do the review that I would advise you to know how to get into the batteries so that you don't mistake it for operating on the like a disposable. But some toys, some people might not know how to get in the battery and they think it's disposable and they throw it out. And some people make toys where you can't get in the battery. Let me screw this in. I can still talk about it. Some people make toys where you can't get into the battery. So people might think, oh, it says AA, but where do you get into the battery? Or it would say LR44, and where do you get into the battery? Or it would say AAA, but where are you getting into the battery? Or C battery, where are you getting the battery? D battery, where are you getting the battery? And watch battery, where did you get in the battery? Some toys, they just want you to buy more of that specific toy. Even expensive ones like Sergio's VTech Train. Now, my niece has one, but she's not playing with it because my niece Ariella was just born. Luckily, I found one for my baby boy who uses a lot of VTech toys. A lot of VTech, a lot of Fisher-Price, a lot of, Bright Starts, the whole shebang, a lot of Leapfrog. So I know what I'm getting myself into when it's time to replace batteries. And I'm a pretty handy guy myself. Like I had to assemble the baby's toys so many times. Can't count. The last thing I assembled was the Fisher-Price Toucan Fun seat that my son got for his birthday, but I didn't really need to do like tools. So now that this is screwed in, I'm just going to do the review. So, this has a dial pad with animals, a little thing, I don't know what this does, piano keys, a book that says Farm Beach, and the little sun lights up. Then you have these little spinny things, Bead Chaser, wheels, the seat. Now, you have 2 different modes.
Chug on a learning adventure. Fish. Dolphin. Bird. Hippo. Giraffe. Alligator. Panda. Elephant. Tiger. Oh no! It's a rainy day. It's cloudy. It's a great day to explore. It's a sunny day. It's a great day to travel.
It'll play music. And this thingy here lights up. Now to the other mode.
It's a sunny day. It's a great day to travel.
Volume control there.
Welcome aboard. I'm happy you are here. Load your block. It's a great day to visit the beach. Full speed ahead. It's a great day to visit the farm. Full speed ahead.
Don't know what that piece is.
Purple. 2, 1, 4, 6. Goodbye. Red, yellow, blue, green, purple, purple, green, blue, yellow, red.
This piece also lights up.
It's a great day to visit. Purple, purple. It's a great day to travel over and out.
Now, this piece can also be used as a cruiser. So it could be, this activity panel can be separated. So this piece can come off. And then this piece can be worked as an, oh, let me fix that. This piece can work as the cruiser part with the activity panel on it. So you can see that this can work as a walker, but like a cruiser, or like the baby can stand up. But it could also be worked as a seat cruiser, like a little seat where it's just where he can sit down and play. It does. My son had to just got this for his birthday. He's just got this. So it does. My batteries do last. I think I've only had to replace it twice. If you like my video, subscribe. Have a nice day.